We measured about 30 large language models and see how they make meaning on their default without any kind of prompting. And it turns out that they align on third-person perspective. That's the expert, called the expert level, going to 3.5, stage 3.5, achiever level. And that's also where society is, more or less. So most of the average society is on third-person perspective, and corporate leaders, for example, they can be found on stage 3.5, which aligns with more advanced large language models. And yes, we did also find a correlation with the complexity of the large language models. Actually, we found one concrete jump. Before 10 billion parameters, large language models reflected general society at stage 3.0, and well, between 4 and 30 billion parameters, there was a jump, a real nonlinearity. And after that, again, quite a plateau where the large language models, as their default, respond more from an achiever perspective, stage 3.5, which reflects more corporate leaders, for example. We correlate these stages of meaning making with parameters, not because we think parameters is what drives that, but it was a variable that was available for some 30 large language models that we tested. And we already found a very significant and clear pattern here, and we have to dive much deeper into of how much this is related to data, to training, to architecture, and so forth.